The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of physical objects or things that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, allowing them to communicate and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. The use of IoT technology has numerous applications across various industries and sectors, including healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and agriculture, among others. For example, in healthcare, IoT can be used to monitor patient vital signs remotely and provide real-time alerts to healthcare professionals in case of emergencies. In manufacturing, IoT can be used to optimize production processes and reduce downtime by collecting data on equipment performance and predicting maintenance needs. The data collected by IoT devices can be used in a variety of ways, such as real-time monitoring. IoT devices can be used to monitor physical systems and environments in real time, allowing for rapid detection of issues and proactive maintenance. Predictive maintenance. By collecting data on equipment performance, IoT can enable predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Energy management. IoT devices can be used to monitor energy usage and optimize energy consumption, reducing costs and improving sustainability. Health monitoring. IoT devices can be used to monitor patient health and vital signs remotely, improving patient outcomes and reducing the need for hospital visits. Environmental monitoring. IoT devices can be used to monitor environmental conditions such as air quality, water quality, and weather patterns, enabling better decision-making in areas such as agriculture and urban planning. The importance of IoT lies in its ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, allowing for more informed decision-making, increased efficiency, and improved customer experiences. For businesses, IoT can provide insights into customer behavior, enabling more targeted marketing and improved customer service. For governments, IoT can help to improve public safety and environmental sustainability. The scope of IoT is vast and continues to expand as more and more devices become connected to the Internet. It is estimated that there will be over 50 billion IoT devices in use by 2030, with a potential economic impact of up to $11 trillion per year by 2025. As such, IoT is considered a critical technology for enabling digital transformation and driving innovation in the global economy. Regenerate response.